Hey, thanks for joining us on December the 28th, 2024, 4:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with the new Northern Wealth Traders. And we're talking Northern Wealth these days because most of our portfolio is cryptocurrency, and we'll get right to it on news from December the 27th, 2024. Very important news for Defi. And disclosed on, I'm just going to have to read it to you real quick. Disclosed on December the 27th by the U.S. Internal Revenue Service, the new regulations treat front-end protocols facilitating digital assets transactions as brokers, requiring know your customer disclosures of transactions. According to the agency, the regulations will affect up to 875 DeFi brokers. Just in closing, the new rules have sparked a widespread backlash on social media, with many legal experts suggesting that the IRS may be overstepping its authority and infringing constitutional rights. And that leads us right into that very interesting, very serious issue. It's something you may want to put on your watch list on some of the stocks I got forwarded on the show today, real quick on the Express Edition for Northern Wealth Traders. Going into the 2025 season, that's why I'm going to bring this up. And that's this article right here. And the industry groups sue to stop IRS from collecting user info from DeFi front ends. This is very serious, and that's move us on to the XRP issue too. And so put this into your watch list, some of the stocks that are, some of the coins that are available on the DeFi. And one of the ones I have, one of the heavy hitters is Hedera. So I would definitely look at these. They're going to explode or just, like a star implode. So you got Hedera, Uniswap. I don't think any of these heavy hitters and the DeFi, it just depends what's going to happen in the United States, because then it looks like everything has to go offshore, and that'll be bad, and that'll really shake up the markets. You got the Stacks, the Lido, I got the Thor chain, as I spoke to you in the last segment, little Curve, and there was a couple down here at the bottom of the Sushi Swap I mentioned to you before, and that carries us out to, let's say, the most traded as of 4:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, December the 28th, live on your screen, most traded. Of course, look at the big boys, the big home run hitters, Ethereum, Bitcoin, First Digital. XRP's on the list live right there, XRP, and that's our highlight of the week for the crypto. Let's go to XRP. Tried, tested, and true, I guess. Look at the XRP trading for $2.19 US right now. Some of you don't know, so I've highlighted it here. Going over quickly, one of the old timers of the cryptoverse, Ripple, was founded in 2012 as a digital payment network for businesses and institutions. Most of you know this, but I just like to go over it, just to solidify things for people. Kind of like Crypto Swift, if you like. And its native token XRP earns brownie points for being one of the most environmentally friendly and cheap to transfer cryptos, which is good considering that its main use case. However, since 2020, Ripple has been caught up with the SEC due to selling XRP as an allegedly unregistered security, which has been a thorn in its side for a while. So this is a consideration. So something's going to shake down, I'm sure of it, but I've got a lot of friends in that. Look at the 6 months is 361%. Year to date, 256.19% for XRP. What do we do in the technicals? Bada bing, bada boom. XRP, let's see what we got there for the week. Oh, just for the day, everything's a buy. Let's look at it for the month. I think it was showing some nice colors. Maybe it was the month. Yes, over the month, you got a lot of strong buys. These are live and archived, of course. Simple moving average. Everything's a buy. in that. Let's just see for the last 4 hours. It's pretty neutral because, there's not a lot of volatility in the market today, but that's XRP. Moving over real quickly, guys, because I don't want to take too much of your time. Let's look at the performance, though, of any coin. XRP, that was supposed to be my segue right there, but there it is at 6 months, 359.72%. BNB is up. Look at these green Dogecoin, my little Dogecoin. I got a portfolio on there, and I'm going to discuss that since we're on the screen of Dogecoin in my wallet, which is just opening, looking into 2025. I'm sorry it's not on your screen right now, but Hedera, the sandbox, is a consideration. SAND. Hedera is HBAR. Little Pepe, little Cardano. Cardano is ADA. Pepe, and like my meme stock, Pepe, Bonk, Dogecoin, Shiba. Cat in a dog's world. And everything's up this week. And let's see some range on Bitcoin a little later. But look at, you got the Solana, the Dogecoin, the Cardano. And once again, these guys are the on the market cap and on my Bitcoin range. Since the beginning of December, I hypothesized, anything between 94 and 114. I didn't make a move around that piece of time, December the 17th on the Tuesday. Went up to about 108 on the high. So I was saying in this range, and look at the range. I've just extended the range that I've drawn up since December the 3rd. I started drawing up, and the last couple of segments I've mentioned, I think I had a feeling that this was the range because I've been looking at this for quite a while, as everybody does. So it seems to be bouncing in this range nicely. I can't tell what's going to happen in January, but some of the coins and the memes I've just mentioned to you, maybe you should consider those guys. And what we're looking for is maybe hold off. And as I mentioned to you, these guys over here, Ethereum is going to be solid. Bitcoin, of course, XRP, Solana, BNB, a little Dogecoin, as I mentioned to you, Pepe, a little Pepe, and that's in my portfolio. Put these on your watch list. Hedera, some of these could really explode in January, and Cardano too. I like the ones I like to get more stocks, so I go after the cheaper one. Litecoin's a Steady Freddy, and Shiba. That's another consideration too. The, dog with a hat. There's one. I put that's on my watch list, and Bitcoin Cash has dropped a little bit, right? And that's what we're looking at for going forward in January 2025, guys. Keep your eyes on your fries. At Northern Wealth Traders, trying to put a little sizzle into your stock portfolio. So I would just stand back, look at that range, 94, maybe 114. It did 108, so it's pretty darn close. Again, that's going to happen. Could happen at any time. Nobody knows. You watch all these YouTube podcasts, the live guys, they're all great and wonderful, but they can't predict what's going to happen. So I would just, keep your guns in your holsters for now, and I wouldn't pull any shots. So just stand by and watch the fries. And anyways, thanks for joining us. A very happy New Year and great training for 2025. Thanks for joining us today.